Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting SVG files to TIFF files. You can see I have on my computer I have a couple SVG files. I can double click, open them into Edge, which is default viewer for SVG on Windows. And I'll be converting these files into TIFF with a converter I will download from this site. I will leave link on this site into description. To find app, I click on search and type SVG. And I need this SVG page, and then I need SVG to TIFF. I'll click on it, and then click on download button to download in converter. I'll be recording more videos on SVG on conversion SVG files into different formats and processing SVG files. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are waiting for application to be downloaded from Google Cloud. And you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI Inside archive and click more info on the screen. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and I will leave this. I just minimize it and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we'll have to select SVG files. I will click to select input files and select SVG files I would like to convert. I can do Ctrl A to select all files in the folder. Or I can hold shift and select couple files, or I can hold Ctrl and select files not going one after each other, not in a row. And click on open, or I can select file by one and click select this one, then click select another, this one, and then click select another. So we have 3 files selected. And after all files selected, I'll click next step. There are no conversion options here, so I just click next step and run on final step. And then asking me for location where to place my files. So I want to place them into my pictures. I'll click on pictures, click OK. And you can see 3 files has been converted. Let's open this thing. I probably should refresh, right? Yeah. After refresh, I did right click refresh to show me what was converted. And you can see I have a SVG file converted to TIFF. Yep. And so on. So yeah, I got my files converted to TIFF, SVG files converted to TIFF. And yeah, basically that's it. I can also launch this application from command line. You can just, I will leave a message how I will leave a command line line from bat file, how to convert how to run this application from command line. But it's relatively very simple. You just specify application exe, then you add input file, output file, and it will convert the entire thing into TIFF file. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.